We've got a lot going on today in the Grizzly Glass Garage. Now that we've knocked out the copper patina test, I'm feeling a lot better when it comes to applying copper patina to the tulip stained glass project. I'm still struggling though with the idea of using spray paint as a sealant, so I'm thinking we use that as a last resort after applying the pledge polish later in the video. But Grizzly, if we learned that there's no big difference to polishing before applying patina, then why are you doing this right now? Great question. The answer is, I don't really know. Nothing terribly bad happened though, so it's safe that we can move on. One game changer I must call out is using Magic Eraser to apply copper patina. Hell, just pouring the patina into the Magic Eraser scratches something in my brain. Man, would you look at the buns on that? Yeah, he must work out. Dumb and Dumber, what's up? I recently heard about Rub and Buff to make Hobby Came appear copper. I've placed the order and it should be arriving soon. So the lead Hobby Came can better match the copper solder lines. Definitely drop tips in the comments if you've worked with Rub and Buff before, because I have no idea what I'm doing. When it comes to copper patina, it's pretty easy to get your lines to look copper. But the trick is, how does it look in the coming days or weeks when it's no longer on screen? If I had to guess, most of those copper lines turn kinda crummy. And that's just because of oxidation. That's why I'm thinking if these lines start to look bad in the coming days, I can simply repolish, get them shiny again, and then hit it with some clear spray paint, since the Rub and Buff will already be applied by that point. Wait, can you spray paint over Rub and Buff? I guess we're about to find out. Wait again, why are you applying pledge? You didn't do that in your test. No, I did not. Shout out to Alicia for reminding me. I probably should have included pledge in the test. But we're here now, so we're just going to do it. And low-key, I am so glad I applied the pledge polish. Please don't freak out thinking I've turned this copper to look gold, because that is not the case. That's just the lighting in this room, and I don't have the light bulbs to fix it. But the polish definitely helped it shine. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tap the follow button if you enjoy seeing stained glass art get created one process at a time, with tips, tricks, and tutorials sprinkled into the mix. You'll be seeing this project again as soon as the Rub and Buff arrives.